Hey guys, and welcome to Listed. In today's video I'll be looking at the top 10 jealous dogs. Dogs getting jealous. It's that simple. Dogs just don't like being missed out from contact with their owners. And just for fun, comment below if you have any pets. And if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Listed for more weekly list style videos. So let's begin the top 10 jealous dogs. The first clip on the top 10 jealous dogs, we have a dog sitting down and pulling some strange faces. It's only when the camera pans up and it becomes clear why he's making these faces. Some woman petting a toy dog in front of the real dog, and it becomes too much for him. Watch this.
Good girl, good girl, good bestie. You're a good girl, good bestie. Hey, Sadie!
Cats and dogs playing together. The dog likes this until you take the attention away from him. A little white dog gets jealous of a newborn baby and tries to push him off her lap.
I don't know,
Hey Lola, do you know you're a dog?
Hey,
What are you trying to push my baby out of the way for?
oh, look at you! Oh my God! What is going on? That was terrible! She tried to butt her right out!
The next dog remains quiet unless you stroke him. This next dog cannot handle his owner stroking a cat and tries desperately trying to stop him from doing so.
Good kitty. Good kitty. Yeah. He's a good cat. Look at him. Look at this.
The next dog might look big and nasty, but deep down he's a big softie and just wants to be touched.
What? I can't pet her? You want me to pet you? Okay. I'm gonna pet Nuggy. What? I'm just petting Nugs. What?
This dog has some serious issues with people hugging. Just watch this. The dog in this next clip tries to pin its owner's hands down from touching the other dog.
You hurt me, Ben. Okay, I love you.
The last clip on the top 10 jealous dogs. This dog is having a nervous breakdown when it's not the one being stroked.
Who's the baby? Hi. Who's the baby? Oh, hello, Gobber. Hello. Who's the baby? Oh, you're such a mama's girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Are you the baby? Are you the baby? Are you the baby?
Thanks for watching the top 10 jealous dogs. And if you've gotten this far then why not subscribe to Listed for more weekly list style videos. Pop a like on this one and why not check out my other videos that appear on the screen as I'm talking. Until next time, jealous you later.